guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Ariel and nice to have you over here. So today I have this old wig over here. I'm coming to transform it into a bag. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch me transform this. Okay, so one sec. Okay, I don't think I'll be doing so much talking in this video. So first of all, you get your wig. This is a closure wig. So you get this, then you make a triangle over here. Like I already did all of this stuff, so let me just show you. You have your comb, then you make some triangle. Make sure like it's very even, and then you comb it out. Then over in my face, you comb it out. I don't want my bangs to be like heavy and stuff. I want it to be very light. Okay. You have to tie this. You comb this. Let's just pray this thing goes well, because I'm kind of nervous to do this. What if it doesn't go as planned? Yeah. Okay. So you can. Oopsie. So you straighten it. Oh, this is not even on. My bad. Guys, how's your quarantine going? Let me know in the comments down below how you are enjoying this quarantine. Are you doing something profitable with your time? Did you learn something new, like hobbies and stuff? Okay, so you just straighten it out to see. Yeah. Keep on straightening. Then we are about to guys, I'm so nervous. What if this thing doesn't come out very nice? What if it doesn't turn into like a very cute bun? Then I've wasted my closure. No, my closure. Okay, let's see. Like this is too long. So the next thing we do is to cut it. We have to cut it. So instead of going this way, like this way, we're going to go this way so that it looks kind of like natural and stuff. Okay, ready. Am I coming to cut this? Anyways, let's go. bad. I have to. Why is this line here? You know, like, no, guys, this is no bad. Like, I was thinking I was gonna mess this thing up, but actually, it's not bad, you know. So right now, about to straighten this whole thing. Let's see. Okay. Guys, you know what time it is right now? It's 11:15. Like, I'm so bored. I just came up with this to do. I did not shishime. This is so cute. Like, I'm not even done, but I'm kind of feeling this thing. Okay, guys, you know what? I cannot straighten everything, so I'm just gonna do the front part. Mind you, this wig is like 3 or 4 years old. I don't know. I just have to come up with a way to, you know, do this side, make it. Gotta fix it when I'm done. Oh God, what did I do? So I think the one thing that's wrong with this wig is that the front part, because like it was the middle part, it has a line. So guys, this is the end result, and let me know if you like it in the comment down below, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. You can message me on Instagram. I'm gonna put everything down here, yeah, down there. You can follow me, you can add me on Snapchat as well. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, share, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. This is not bad at all. Let me know in the comment down below if you love this, okay? And let me know what kind of video you guys want to see too. I'll try my best to do it for you, because right now I'm kind of bored. So peace out.